Hey you guys, it's Coach Ben here with another Give and Grow Breathwork for you guys today. If you're new to these videos, this is where we combine the power of music with the power of breathwork so that we can get all the mental, emotional, and physical benefits that those two things bring. Music can bring us so many benefits in our life. It can make us want to move. It can help us calm down, right? The breath can do that same exact thing and really help us feel that calm in our body, really help us to feel that peace of mind, right? This is one of my favorite things to do is combine music and breathwork, and that's why I'm here sharing it with you today. So make yourself comfortable. If you're new to breathwork, just breathe in when I say in, breathe out when I say out. We'll breathe in the nose, out the mouth, just like that to the rhythm of this song. Now we're going to start off slow with this song and then probably speed up later on. So just stick with me, and as easy as I said before, in when I say in, out when I say out. This breath work's all about confidence, being cool, being okay with who you are. This is me, and that's the name of this song from the show, The Greatest Showman. Let's grow. You can close your eyes to help you tap in. Go ahead and breathe out. In.
I am not a stranger to the dark. Hide away,
Out.
they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts.
In, fill up your belly.
Of all my scars. Run away,
Out.
they say, no one will love you as you are. But I
In.
won't let them break down to dust. I know that there's a place for us.
Out.
For we are glorious. When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. I am brave,
In.
I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me.
Out.
Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I
Fill up with this
drum.
confidence.
I'm not scared
Out.
to be seen. I make no apologies. This is me.
In. Out. Letting go of any stress, any fear. In with all this feeling good. This is me.
Another round of bullets hits my skin. Well, fire away.
In, allowing your body to move.
Let the pain sink in. We are bursting through the barricades and reaching for the sun.
In.
That's what we become.
Out.
Let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us.
In. Fill up. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Relaxing your shoulders and your face. In. Filling up with confidence and love. Out. In. Believing in who you are. Out. I am enough. Out. In.
When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. This is brave,
Ow.
this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me.
In. Out. Letting go, feeling free. In. Out. In. Last couple breaths. Out. Go ahead and breathe all the the way in. Fill up your belly. Breathe in that confidence. Feel it coming through your nose, coming into your body. Feeling what it feels like to be free, confident in yourself. Hold your breath at the top. Holding your breath here as long as you'd like. And just taking a moment to imagine yourself as that most confident, loving version of yourself. Imagine yourself doing your things, your favorite things, your music, your sports, your school at the highest level. Really see yourself successful. See yourself confident. Beautiful, everyone. Just want to say thank you for tapping in. I love that song. The lyrics are so powerful. We can use that power of music, the power of our breath, and the power of our visualization, of our mind, our imagination, to really tap into this feeling of confidence. So you have a few different tools to use throughout your day, throughout your week, whenever you need a boost of confidence. Music, breath, the mind. These are your tools that you always have with you. You already know it's time to grow. We'll see you in the next video.